Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to use the slow cook mode on your Thermomix TM6. Okay, so let's talk about this mode. You will need to have blade covers, which I don't have, unfortunately. I think they are sold separately. But yeah, you'll need to get them, and then once you put them on and you want to use the slow cook mode, you can go to slow cook. Then you can cover a maximum of 800 grams of meat with sauce, then cook 1 to 8 hours between 37 and 98 degrees Celsius. The meat will be soft and tender. For temperature lower than 95, you should use the measuring cup. For temperatures above 95, use the simmering basket instead of the measuring cup on top of the bowl cover. To avoid oxidation of the mixing knife, when using this mode with watery or salty liquids, you should add wine, apple juice, vinegar, or citric acid. Now let's close it, and once you have the blade cover on, you should be able to set the time, the temperature, and then select this and turn the speed selector by one step to start. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.